So today's May 1st, 2016, and today is a big day because I plan on proposing to Blaise, my girlfriend of 8 years. Now I'm not used to being on this side of the camera, so I'm feeling, a bit nervous, but more excited than anything else. So I got a big day planned out today. The sun's just rising right now, so hope everything goes well and wish me luck. Did you get your photo?
This camera, I can't.
Is it your what?
My reflection shot. Alex's favorite activities in life. This cold setting very important spot in both of our lives. It's as simple as a concrete slab. Marble slab! Where is this? Over there? And we took an unforgettable photo just outside one of these buildings. This place gave us the skills to equip us with what we now face on a daily basis. SFU! Took a picture from
Where? SFU.
At SFU. But it's so dark and quiet.
It's right here.
We were outside.
Is that out here?
Oh shit.
Is that it?
The question is, where are we going? Oh! Slime. this way. Location 6, one of Vancouver's top tourist attractions, is named Natural Beauty gives a fantastic view of the city. The setting can be both calming and exhilarating depending on what activity you partake in here. Stanley Park.
No, incorrect. That's where we went ziplining.
Oh, whenever it's a picture of us, it's in silver. Take a photo showcasing depth of field. Oh, I know I'm good at this.
Is it up ahead?
Yeah.
Smile. Of our first dates.
Oh my god. And then Queen Elizabeth. And then Stanley Cup.
Where are we now? Top of the world and Wigan, above Wigan.
Yeah.
Oh, this is pretty cool.
I want to.
So then I have a question for you. Lazy, will you marry me? Yes? You didn't know we were landing, huh?
No, I didn't, and then I looked and I was like,
We're getting closer and closer. I just proposed to Blaise.
I said yes!
What does it say? That's the 8th location.